Welcome to Money Chat, the place to get information on money, personal finance and budgeting. 10 Essential Rules of Money Management, How to Be Good with Your Money. Managing your money is an essential life skill, and a good grasp of the basics can help you make intelligent financial decisions. Whether you're just learning about personal finance or need a refresher, the 10 money rules can help you get your finances in line. From budgeting to knowing when to save and when to invest, these 10 rules of money are the foundation of a solid financial future. So start taking control of your money today, and learn how to be good with your money. With these 10 money rules, you'll have the power to make your money work for you and build wealth in the long run. Understand your income and expenses. Before managing your money, you must first understand your income and expenses. Understanding your income will help you create goals around saving and investing. Understanding your costs allows you to create a budget that considers these expenses. A reasonable budget will help you get control of your finances and make sure you're meeting your short-term and long-term financial goals. Start by understanding the 10 rules of money. These 10 rules form the foundation for being good with your money and are essential to financial success. In addition, the 10 money rules prepare you for the future and help you stay informed and more knowledgeable about money. By following these 10 rules of money, you can manage your income and expenses to help you reach your financial goals. Budgeting and tracking your expenses are essential. It lets you understand where your money is going as efficiently as possible. Regularly saving will help you prepare for any unexpected expenses or emergencies, while wisely investing can help grow your wealth over the long term. Avoiding debt is also essential, and this may mean shopping around for the best deals on products and services, so that you don't have to resort to using credit cards. Finally, making sure you're staying informed on the latest financial news and trends can help you stay ahead of the game. The 10 money rules form a strong foundation for managing your income and expenses. By understanding these 10 rules and incorporating them into your financial planning, you will be better able to achieve your financial goals. So take the time to learn the 10 money rules, and you'll be one step closer to financial freedom. Set financial goals. Financial goals are the measurable outcomes you want to achieve for your financial situation. For example, if you're going to buy a car in the next 2 years, you'd set a financial goal of saving $2,000 a month toward the vehicle. If you want to purchase a house in the next 5 years, you will select a financial goal of saving $1,000 monthly towards a down payment for your mortgage. Regularly reviewing your financial goals will help you stay on track toward achieving them. It's important to set not only short-term financial goals but also long-term ones. Short-term financial goals could include paying off debt and building an emergency fund. Long-term financial goals include retirement savings and sending your children to college. Setting financial goals and meeting them will help you build wealth and have a financially secure future. Create a budget and track your spending. Once you've created a budget to track your income and expenses, you can start creating a budget. Budgeting is a great way to stay on track with your spending and manage your money. Creating a budget is easy. All you have to do is figure out how much you make, and how much you need to pay each month's expenses. The remainder is what you can put towards savings and investment. Once you've created a budget, tracking your spending is essential. Tracking your spending will help you see what you're spending your money on, and identify areas where you can make cuts and save more money. In addition, these trackers can help you stay on top of your spending and ensure you're sticking to your budget. Live below your means. Living below your means is the best way to get out of debt and build a financial future. It means spending less than you earn and creating a budget that accounts for your necessary expenses. You can also pay yourself first by tucking some money into a savings account before paying your monthly bills. Living below your means is one of the critical rules of good money management. It allows you to build a healthy savings account and pay off any debt. Once you've paid off your debt, you can put the money you were spending on interest payments towards saving more money. Living below your means is the best way to create a better financial future for yourself. Automate your savings. Once you've created a budget and tracked your spending, you can start automating your savings. Automating your savings means setting up your savings so that money is deducted from your bank account before you have a chance to spend it. It is a great way to save for short and long-term financial goals. Automating your savings will help you save more, which is the essential rule of good money management. Unfortunately, many people don't save enough money, leading to financial stress and emergencies. Automating your savings will help you get more money into a savings account without thinking about it. Automating your savings is one of the best ways to build up a healthy savings account. If you struggle to make ends meet, use your short and long-term financial goals. Automating your savings will help you get more money into your savings account and meet your goals more quickly. Pay off debt. The most important rule of good money management concerning debt is to pay it off. Debt comes with high interest rates, which eat into your ability to save money and build wealth. Interest rates can be as high as 15% or more on some credit cards. When paying off debt, you should first focus on the debt with the highest interest rate. Then, once that's paid off, you can move on to the next highest interest rate. Once you've paid off your debt, you can put the money you were spending on interest payments towards saving more money. It is one of the best ways to get started building wealth. Make the most of your credit. Credit is a tool that can help you achieve many financial goals, rebuilding your credit score, buying a house, or even starting a business. Credit is essential today and can be harmful if not used properly. If you want to make the most of your credit, you must first manage it well. The best way to do this is to pay your bills on time and keep your credit card balances low. Paying your bills on time shows lenders you're a responsible borrower and boosts your credit score. Keeping the balance on your credit cards low will prevent you from getting into debt. High credit scores will help you make the most of your credit and attain things like cheap car loans and mortgages. Diversify your investments. Investing is one of the best ways to build wealth over time. It's a great way to save for retirement and send your children to college. Diversifying your investments means investing in more than one type of investment. It could be stocks, bonds, or other types of investment vehicles. In addition, diversification helps you make sure your assets are safe. It's important to put only some of your eggs in one basket when investing. Diversification helps you build wealth over time and ensure your investments are safe. It's one of the best ways to invest your money and ensure you're building wealth in the long run. Manage risk. Risk and reward go hand in hand when it comes to investing. When investing, you want to ensure you're managing risk. Managing risk means putting only some of your money into one investment. It is called diversification, and it's the best way to manage risk. Managing risk will help ensure you're protecting your investment, and not putting all your money into something too risky. Managing risk is one of the best ways to ensure you're smartly investing your money and taking only a few risks. Knowing how much trouble you can handle is important as ensuring you're investing your money wisely. Risk management is an essential part of financial planning. Money rules dictate that we take the necessary steps to protect our assets and manage potential losses. Risk management involves assessing, minimizing, and managing risks associated with investments or other financial decisions. Strategies used in risk management include diversification, hedging, reducing exposure to specific markets, and using insurance products. By understanding the rules of money and the associated risks, you can better plan for your financial security. In addition, properly assessing your current financial situation will help you determine which strategies are best for protecting your money and achieving your goals. As part of this assessment, it's essential to understand how various investment vehicles work and the risk-reward profile of each asset class. Finally, it's necessary to understand the rules and regulations applicable to your investments, and ensure you're staying within the law. By taking these steps, you can help ensure success and minimize losses in the future. Risk management is about more than avoiding all risks. It's about understanding those risks, assessing them, and then determining the best approach for protecting yourself from potential financial harm. Taking control of your finances by properly managing risk can help set you up for a successful financial future. Knowing the rules of money and how they apply to your investments will give you peace of mind while helping maximize long-term wealth accumulation. Get professional financial advice. Finally, the last rule of good money management is to get professional financial advice. Working with a financial advisor can help ensure you're on track with your financial goals. They can also help you manage risk and ensure your investments are safe. Managing your money is an essential life skill, and a good grasp of the basics can help you make intelligent financial decisions. Whether you're just learning about personal finance or need a refresher, the 10 money rules can help you get your finances. From budgeting to knowing when to save and when to invest, these 10 rules of money are the foundation of a solid financial future. So start taking control of your money today and learn how to be good with your money. With these 10 money rules, you'll have the power to make your money work for you and build wealth in the long run. Please hit the subscribe button below to get the latest from Money Chat.